Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new Financial Eagles team. Hi, Miguel.
Hello, Lama. Hello, everyone. Okay, we will start today at 30, guys. Let's go to the weekly time frame. As you can see, we had this close. This week opened without a wick, but like on the week, it doesn't matter. We go to the daily, like we had a good catch for it. So we still bullish. Until now, everything shows as a bullish move. Still nothing as we was talking about from this area. Okay, we go for the daily. As you can see, look at this push. Look at this push. Here still high, lower, high, lower, high, lower, high. Then this closed as a rejection, as a reversal candle. And poof, all this way, guys. It pushed all this way. Yesterday, we didn't look at this volume. I don't love, and those gonna be like scalp trades, especially on Dow. Okay. This volume I love. This like catch, I would love to walk with the market. Okay. Here you can catch as a scalp. Okay. So this candle closed. Look at this uh, like as no volume. There is no volume with the bullish until now. Okay, so after this push, all this push, I prefer now to take like so not to take the market to make like a retracement for me. Okay, before taking a daily buy. Okay, on the lower time frame you can take a lot of buys, but I'm saying about the daily. If I want to go with it as swing, I want like a retracement, then a push back up. We catch it again like this area from here. We started catching the Dow from this area everywhere. Okay, so let's see this candle. We have FOMC after like 1 hour and a half, like two times at 9 and 9:30. Okay, so I would wait for like a daily sell breaking this area, this previous daily candle. Okay, but we will see because it might even now if I see like push it. It might don't move. It might like push it down. We will see. Okay, so breaking this, but don't take it like breaking this guys on the daily today. And if it goes down, breaking here, don't take anything. You can scalp trades on the lower time frame, but not as a daily trade. Okay, so breaking this area, I'm gonna go with it. Tomorrow we will see about how it's gonna this be closing. Today, here we still forming, as you can see, kind of flag. Okay, we still pushing, and there's still a bullish move. Breaking this area here, those highs, not this candle for sure. Breaking those highs might leave it, like push it more up. Okay, might even if it reached like this area as a wick fill, that's like 150. We will see now FOMC because we need the close. FOMC don't take, as I told you guys, you can't take FOMC swings and don't trade FOMC. I don't. Yani today I didn't take like any trade, only like small ones. Okay, we go to the 1 hour. Look at the 1 hour, guys. Look at this bullish move. Okay, then here we started to form like low, higher low. Okay, it pushed down, big move down on the US Open with like without any reason, but like not news, not anything. Okay, it had like a big volume as pushing down, and here it retraced. Today I didn't send this because it was like I don't want to take anything now, like before the FOMC, and it did it. Yesterday we didn't have a FOMC, and the volume stopped. So look at this, guys. I didn't take it for two reasons. It was pushing up. Okay, this push up. What I wait at least one red candle, as I always say, as a retracement. Okay, it took here. I was putting here the buy, but not. I didn't bought one. I'm waiting. It took this one. Then this candle retraced. Okay, look at this candle. It opened with small even gap, like push down, and then one way. So I didn't take this trade. I didn't even like want to take this buy. Okay, and it did it did like 68, 67. The same scenario of yesterday, but yeah, yesterday like it stopped over here. It did like 20, 30 pips and then reversed. I couldn't even secure. It was fast. Okay, so that's for the Dow. That's what I'm gonna be looking for the Dow. Okay, we go for gold. Look at gold. Look at this bullish push. The gold, guys. The gold breaking even this area. That's a strong one. If a candle closed over here and then the new one daily candle opening and breaking, that's gonna be good. Here, as you can see, I mean, on the lower time frame, we have Elliott waves. That's the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and now you will see the break. You will see where it's gonna go. Here is still in the flag. Let me remove those. Here we still in the flag. Okay, so we will see. Now we can't assume anything because it might not work technically, but on the FOMC. But breaking this area over here, this high, might lead us like for continuation with the break of the flag at the same time. Okay, to go to wave 5. We go to the 1 hour even, the 1 hour. Like I don't take any sells over here, honestly, until I see a good like bullish, sorry, good bearish trade. Okay, when I go to the higher time frame, always go to the higher time frame. I put this area, this low, the last low it did. If it broke this one, okay, I don't take it one like in one way. Okay, wait for it to break, to retest, because it might hit the flag and push up again. Okay, so you wait a break, a retest, a new formation of a like lower high. Here, look, like we start to have here a high, lower high. Okay, so again, new lower high, then pushing down. You can execute your trade. Okay, so gold, this is it. I'm gonna wait. We will wait to see the break of this area and this high even, the three. Okay, we will see how much it's, if it goes down more, it's gonna be like pushing to the flag or the Fibonacci. I will show you the Fibonacci. But here it reached this area. Okay, it might even keep pushing down. Look, we're still inside the flag to this area, to the 0.38, and we still have like the 0.5. We will see how it's gonna be pushing. Okay, but from this area, if it pushed up, it's gonna be like amazing. The flag confirmation plus the waves. Okay, so this is it for gold. We go for the euro. Even let's go weekly. We're still on this trend. Look at those weeks. That's weeks in euro. Okay, as you can see here, we had a push up. We had it like a hit on this trend line. Again, that's a monthly time run. So we will see here, if we break this area, I prefer to take a buy. I need a break, even a retest at the same time to this area or to the trend line. Okay, a push up, a retracement, a retest, and then a push up, I take my buy. Okay, but here, if we break like this, those areas, like this one, this area, I'm gonna go for a sell. Okay, that's gonna be like triple top. If from here it start to push down, it's gonna be like a triple top and then pushing down to continue the bearish, like that's monthly. Okay, so we will see the euro. The euro, I don't go too much like lower time frame. I go daily, 4 hours the maximum. 1 hour I don't go. Okay, here even look, it's still pushing. Let's see here. If we break this area, we're gonna do new higher highs. If you see, okay, but here it's doing kind of flag even again. So let's see. Let's see the push. Usually, like in this, you can take a sell over here on the daily. That's the same sell I told you about. Okay, and you can walk with it, go with it as pushing down. Okay, look at it. This here, this area, it might like you can take it, but the euro I don't love because it's slow. But technically, the fire pairs, like hitting this area and then reversing, breaking this, it might be good. Like you start securing here and you leave it. It can be like pushing down even inside the flag. Okay. So for the euro, this is it. I'm gonna wait this area, the high of this wick, the liquidity. Okay, with the break of the flag at the same time. The sell I'm gonna see over this area on the daily. Tomorrow, how like it, we will have it opening it up and then pushing down. It might even this push down or up F1C. Don't forget that. Okay, go for Bitcoin. Even Bitcoin, nothing. Still like that's a lot of consolidation. Look at this. We're still here. We're still in this area. The same weeks. Okay, I'm still putting the same, waiting for the same. The break. If you want to take like, if you work on crypto futures or something like, you can take this break to this area, like as a scalp. Okay, and the break of this one, we will have new highs again, breaking this area, this trend. Okay, as for the cells, I'm gonna wait for the cells to see how the push, like pushing down, breaking this area, that's liquidity. So we will see. I prefer here, breaking this area, 48, 49,000. Okay, but be skeptic about the cells. We still like pushing as a flag here. Yeah, we need a retracement. Push down, retrace, and then push down again. Okay, this is it for the Bitcoin. Uh, Joseph, you did GJ.
Yes, yeah. Hello everyone. So for the GJ, okay, on the weekly time frame, look how it's moving up and denying the previous week after it made a wick down, respecting the previous low, and now it's going up. Also the indicators, so the CCI and percentage are now breaking the oversold area. So we might be continue down, up for forming this Elliott wave. Now we are in the wave 3. On the daily, okay, for the indicators already broke the oversold area. And today, after it made a wick down, we are now forming, having low, higher low, higher low. And it hit exactly this support and resistance area here. Support and resistance, resistance. This strong area, and it retraced a little. On the 4 hours, it made here a double bottom, retraced, retested, and now going up. And also the GJ is moving perfectly on the resistance and support. Hit exactly and retrace, or if it break, it goes up again. Also on the 1 hour, after this push up, this big push up, it hit exactly this resistance and retrace here. If you see it in the lower time frame as a triangle, 1, 2, 3, and breaking up and continue till also another resistance. And now it retracing to this support. It made it here a support. So it might be continuing more up after this retracement. Now we are having a low, higher low, higher low. It might retrace to this area, forming a higher low, then continue up. On the 1 hour, look at this support and resistance here, hitting exactly today after we take the buy from the breaking of this triangle, the retracement, and going up to to this resistance, taking our TP1 and now retracing down. So we will see tomorrow how it will be moving. Again, if it broke again this resistance, it will be good opportunity for taking the buy from here. A strong area here. We will see how it will be moving tomorrow. Also, we have many news on the GBP at 2 p.m. Beirut time. So we will see how it will be moving tomorrow. We will move to Norman.
Yes.
Hello. Hello, everyone.
Hello, Norman.
Okay. Hi. Okay, let me share this. Okay, let me clear all this. Uh, Let's go. Let's start from weekly. I always look for higher time frame. Higher the time frame is higher the confirmations for the trade. Okay, what we have is strong bullish. Strong bullish. We have created support, and I just marked to the high. High all-time high price is on gold, right? Now let's go for daily. Daily, we can look. We have support to the. It has been greatly support, and we have been bullish for last couple of days. Let's see on 4 hour. 4 hour, we can see consolidations. Consolidations like this. Okay, let's say how I would take it trade on Tuesday. Right. See, it just broke this and came down. On smaller time frame, I take this trade on Tuesday on 15 minutes, which is marked very beautiful consolidation on 30 minutes, same as it is, but we have support over here. This markets, we have previous resistance, this market level. On 15 minutes, I just wait for, see, this was London sessions. London sessions was little bit good, but did not broke this level.
Norman,
Um,
Pascal,
yeah,
if you can increase a little bit your voice because also the internet from your side is a bit cutting.
yeah, sure.
Okay, I think
Hello,
yes,
now?
now it's better.
How? Uh, okay, what I was saying is, Tuesday, how would I take trade? Okay, on see on this is the exact time of 7 a.m. of New York Times, right? Okay, we have resistance over here, price back to this level, and I just wait for this. But I took on the basis of news on Tuesday, breaking of this week, but it went down. It didn't went further down. We just made a loss of 19 pips, right? 90 pips. Yeah. I just made a loss on 90 pips because volume was not too good on the news retail sales data. That's why. But eventually it came down. But only problem was over is entry was very early. It came down after 11 a.m. New York Times. Okay, right? Now let's look into Monday straight. How I took on Monday. Let's see on Monday. I think I didn't took any trades on Monday. If I would look for trades, see, this is my resistance on Monday. This was 9:30. If I look for trade, I just mark like this. You guys see how I mark? This is my potential buys and potential sells, right? This is how I mark. See, breaking at 88.45, it broke this level. It went up, but we have small resistance over here. That's why price came to this level and rejected. I didn't took the trade on Monday on this, right? Now let's see for today. Today I just took my trade. Right. Uh, on New York session, I just took my trade. Why did I took this trade? Okay, right. Okay, let me explain you why did I took this trade. On exact 2 p.m. it created some support. I just marked this support. It was risky trade for today because of FOMC news. I didn't send this to anyone because it was very risky to take this trade. We created support, it just broke the support, and I would go for buys from this breaking of this week. See, we have one more resistance over here and support over here. Price can reject at this level. See, that's what happened. It rejected on London session. Just keep my stops on this week. See, price went up and just rejected. It moved, this price moved in New York session. Price went up in New York session till this range. Okay, let me tell you this. I don't work on any patterns and all. I just work on candles.
Yes, I wanted to ask you because here it's like a double bottom and double top
Yeah.
as patterns. We can see them like this, and I want you to explain more like how you work on candles.
Just okay.
It's like the scalp of Abdullah on the US 30.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. But I also wait for confirmations on candles.
Yes. Let's take a target, and if you can explain like how did you see the buy or the sell during those 2 days, even if you didn't take it, so they can understand better. Like any
Okay.
trade you took.
Okay, let's see this. Right. Today's let me explain today's because today was very hard day, but I don't want to take this trade. See, I just marked support and resistance. Right. Where is support? Price came down and get back. That is our support. Price went up and came down. That is our resistance. Right. Everybody knows these basic concepts. Right. And we have over here. I just mark like this. Looking on left side, I just mark on this. See, I just mark on this. Where you can check where does I mark my lines. There is always rejections. See. There is always rejections, and this is rejections. See, you can see. See, we rejected over here. Why? Because price is rejected. That means it's a strong support. Okay, now I look for. Okay, today where is today? I'm sorry, it's confusing for me.
It's okay.
SPM.
Any opportunity.
Ah, yeah, I will show you. Yeah, I just marked like that, and now let's go for. Okay, on Monday. Let's go for today. If I would take a trade, I just mark this as a no trade zone. This is my no trade zone. Right. This is what I used to send to. This is my potential buys. and this is my potential buys and potential sell. See, this is how I work. Now the price broke this resistance. Why I wait for price to close in this range. It has to close above my lines. Price closed, right? But without no wick. Okay, let's wait for 30 minutes. Let's go for 30 minutes and let's see even 30 minutes also close without the wick. Okay, I would not recommend to take this trade. Okay, but sometimes it create like 15-minute candle like red. I will look for buys,
Okay, one
breaking of
question.
this.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. If you can show us where
support.
the stop loss. Yes, exactly. And also why down
Yeah,
it's not a no trade range, no trade zone.
because it's ranging. I don't like to wait for long period of time.
Okay,
It's consolidation. Just like Abdullah marks no trade
yeah,
ranging zone before taking trades. After breaking of this range, he takes the trade. Same,
yes.
same concept, but pair is different.
Okay,
Yeah, this is how I take trades. Why do I exit on this range? Because see, we have support. We have we have resistance over here. Price may reject. See, that's why it rejected. After rejecting and again closing on this range, it went up. This is what
yes.
happens today. Jet send to buy so from here without breaking. I just wait for close in this range. It
Okay,
just
and
closed in this range. It
close
went
of
to
the
this
candle
side.
and waiting for a
Yeah,
new candle to open. Like every
yeah,
15 minutes a
exactly.
candle.
15 minutes. 15 minutes candle are very strong. Sometimes 30 minutes also good. But for my trades, 15 minutes are going good for me on gold. I don't know about other pairs, but in gold, 15 minutes works very good.
Okay.
See, this is what happens on the morning. It went up and rejected. Why did price came from down? Because we have resistance over here. We have resistance over here. We have small resistance over here. Price got rejected from that. It changed its direction, created one more support and broke it support and came down. I hope you
Okay.
might understand it.
Yes, very, very good. Thank you, Norman.
Thank you.
Okay. So now I will move to my part. Okay, so as we can see here for the GU, actually today I missed the trade. To be honest, I was sick after the session, so that's why I wasn't able to focus a lot on the market. But if we can see here, it's good to know that the market is moving with us. Okay, even if we missed the trade, and yesterday when I saw, okay, so I had here, it was something like expecting to happen like this. Okay, so as we can see, we have the Elliott waves. Okay, according to my expectation of the extension, I will explain everything. I was expecting to reach 161.8%. Okay, but when I saw it going down, I asked myself that maybe it made 100%. Okay, and you will see it. 1, 2. Okay, so here it's 100. That's why I changed it to here. And since it made it here 100%, then this should be wave 4. This is how you start understanding the Elliott waves step by step. Okay, so for wave 5 extension also, 1, 2. Okay, so this is the extension. Mainly, it should be maximum 78.6%. Mainly, the ideal target is 61.8. So what happened after that? Today, wave 5 happened, okay, slowly, step by step. And here we started reversing Okay, so what do we have after the 5 waves? We have ABC, correction waves. So this is ABC. Mainly, they are the opposite side of the trend. If the Elliott wave was going up, ABC should be going down. Okay, so here I will draw A, B, C, because mainly A is a retracement of wave 5, and here I use the Fibonacci retracement. I measure the lowest point to the highest point, okay, and it should retrace. Mainly it retraces around like 61.8, okay. Then I have wave B, or something like this, at this point. Okay, I have wave B that it is a retracement of wave A. So I have to measure from like here, from the highest point to the lowest point. I will see that it might retrace, 1 second, until here. Okay, let's say 50% or 61.8. We will see between these like two numbers, these are the levels. Okay, and the extension is an extension of the down move. Okay, so to measure the extension, I need to measure the previous extension, which is here, Fibonacci extension. So from the highest point to the lowest point, and I only move my mouse like this. Okay, of course, the extension should reach here at least 78.6%. So this is how I measure the ABC. Okay, mainly I'm expecting now it's moving down. So wave A should be forming. Also, if we see the combination of the indicators here on the daily, they are still going up. Okay, on 4 hours with the let's see, maybe this candle will go up more. I have to wait also and see, especially after the FOMC, because here we are, they reached the horizontal line. They didn't break it yet up. So I want to understand from the indicators also tomorrow and see what will happen, mainly tonight, because the market will be moving because we have news on the FOMC. Okay, so on the 4 hours, they are going down, but indicators were better on daily maximum. Yani the minimum, sorry, is 4 hours. Mainly we have the Elliott wave on the 4 hours, so the combination is better on 4 hours with the Elliott wave. So mainly this is it for the GU. Let me show you on the daily time frame also. What do we have? This is something that I noticed from Abdullah. That's why it's very important to watch the weekly overview and the weekly overview updates that happens every Monday at 8 p.m. Beirut time. We have the big Elliott wave on the daily. Look how it is moving, yani exactly on the wave. The GU works perfectly. Yani the Elliott waves works perfectly with the GU. Here we had also another Elliott wave in May 2024. Let me see also last year in June 2023, we had an Elliott wave also. Maybe there is an Elliott wave here, no. So basically this is it for the GU. Let me check only the 1 hour and see what is happening inside because I didn't check it yet. It's kind of a head and shoulders, but we have to see. Mainly it is reversing. That's why you can see a head and shoulders, because now we are reversing down. We are on the other side of the way, the trend, sorry. Give me 1 second. Let me see what is this pattern. If there is like a head and shoulder. No, it's going down. It's wrong. If we see here, on 4 hours, it's better. So this part, I always explain this during the sessions. So this part was going up because we have higher lows. Okay, here we have higher lows. and we have higher highs. Now we are going down. We have high, lower, high, lower, high. Also, we have now lower low, and we will have lower lows. Okay, so we can see the trend here going up, and here it's going down. Very easy. Okay, so this is how we go with the flow. We work with the market, not against the market. We will move to Lydia.
Hello guys. Okay, so I'm gonna share silver. It's on silver this time, not on gold, okay? Okay, so for the weekly time frame, as you can see, last time I have told you that we were moving in a flag form, as you can see here, A, B, C, D. It made E and then pushed up, and now it's retracing. Are you ready for the artist mode? Okay, so this is it. Mainly, this is the trend. And if you can see, it opened, made a wick down, and went up. This was last week. For this week, it has opened, make a wick up, and then it's going down. I think it's gonna retrace until this level before it continues up. So I'll move to the daily time frame. So yesterday, like the 2 following days, it has closed like a dodgy star, and now it's pushing down. I put this trade, but like I put this setup, but I wasn't so sure to trade FOMC as I don't want to break my rules for today. I'll go for the 4-hour time frame. So mainly, as you can see here, I'll show you the Elliott wave that I have seen as well. This is, I'm gonna draw it for you. So 1, 2, 3. Mainly now we're pushing to 4 before we go up to 5. But still we are in wave 4 for the higher time frames. As you can see here, we are in wave 4 now, up, going up. So the trend is still bullish, but it's of course gonna retrace after all this push up. It's gonna be retracing before it continues up. So mainly I'll be waiting the FOMC to see the direction of the market, how will it be affecting the silver. And I'm not gonna go for this trade anymore for tonight. I'll be waiting tomorrow's daily candle. I'll be waiting the close of tonight to see tomorrow how will the market be reacting. Mainly this is it for me.
Okay, perfect, Lydia. Thank you so much for sharing. So now I will see if anyone has a question to ask us before we start the beginner part. And of course, if you want to ask the traders, Miguel, Norman, Lydia, Joseph, any other traders, like, or any pair that you are, working with this trader on, so you can please feel free to ask him. Also, you can like ask if any trade happened during the day with the trader, that if there is anything that you didn't understand, any direction, okay, any stop loss, take profit that you didn't see it, you didn't understand it or anything. Okay, Norman is waiting for the FOMC trade. If you don't have a funded account, you can trade FOMC. So for the people who do not have a funded account, they can trade the FOMC. Okay, so mainly if you don't have any question, we can start the beginner part because also we are late. Yes, of course, the new people, don't trade the FOMC, mainly Norman, because he has been trading for a long time now. Okay, and trading during the news is risky because also it might go against you, and especially according to the rules of the funded account, we cannot trade during the news. Okay, let's start the beginner part. First, let me see if you have, as beginners, any question or any study. If you feel free to speak in Arabic, also you can be my guest. If no, it's fine. Okay, so what do we have today? Who will be asking like a question that was uh, going around his head for a long time? يلا, who will do the initiative in Arabic? Noman, you will ask in Arabic? يلا نومان. Okay, so do alpha traders use Manara? Mainly, we use it as an indicator to help us sometimes. But since the system is like the system that we follow is different first than Manara, because Manara works on, I forgot the name of the the patterns that Manara does. Can someone remind me? Harmonic patterns. Thank you, Lydia. Exactly. Harmonic patterns. So mainly harmonic patterns, some of them like are reversal patterns. And also Manara is a robot. Mainly robots, they give you the scientific way. But the scientific way can be like 70% accurate. That's why I try not to use a lot Manara, because when you are a trader, you will have the gut feeling of a trader. So while you are trading, sometimes you feel that even if the trade is showing you that now you have to take a buy, you will not take the trade because you will have this feeling, that especially that you are following well a currency, you understand now the market more than ever. So you will feel that at some point it's wrong to take the trade. So this is something that will will happen with you. Yes, this gut feeling, exactly. It will give you the right answer sometimes, even if the study is showing that this is a good time to take a trade. Exactly. That's why, so as Joseph said, that we use Abdullah strategy, that's correct. Because mainly the system of Abdullah combines different strategies that are like in correlation with each other. So we feel more comfortable with our system. There is, though, a video inside the website where you will where you will watch the combination of Manara and our system if you want to use Manara. But mainly because people, when they are new, or like they are new in trading, at least like we can say new, because if you are not trading more than 3 months, you are still considered as a new person in trading. Okay, so they tend to see like how Manara is working. Of course, you can check it, but mainly we don't focus on it as alpha traders, but maybe other traders in the community, they might like follow Manara. But I'm talking about the bot, Manara bot, not the group of Manara where they send signals on it. I'm talking about the bot where you go to the economy platform and you put your PIN, and then you can enter Manara, you can edit it. Okay, there is also a video to choose which currencies you need to follow, which ones has the highest rate. So there is also a trader explaining how to understand and choose Manara, but not the other Telegram channel for Manara. So Manara as a bot will be sending you the studies on Telegram. Okay, so this is the Manara that I'm talking about. Okay, who has any question? Anything? Nasser. For funded account, we don't trade during news and 2 minutes after and before. So after that is okay to trade, or the market still crazy even afternoon. Mahi, it depends also on, you're welcome, Ayman. I'm happy that you are always asking. Okay, so Nasser, okay, let me explain something because people need to understand this. As funded accounts, if you want to talk about the funded account, okay, mainly the prop firms understand sometimes that people can benefit from the market to make additional money, not based on a study. Okay, for example, when we have a news Let's say if the news was positive, so you will have a big green candle going up. Okay, so if we took a buy, here we are taking advantage from the market to make money without the basic of a study. Also for the gap, if we put a trade on Friday night, knowing that maybe knowing that on Monday, let's say, after the increase of the interest rate, this will affect negatively, for example, on the US dollar. Okay, so here you put a sell order. So the sell order will be ready before the trade happens. So this is also, it's like you are abusing the market. You are abusing the system of the funded account. Sorry, not abusing the market. And here you are taking advantage of the situation in the market in order to make a profit that it's not based on being a trader or an analyst. Okay, so that's the thing. Of course, during the news, the market will be very like the liquidity will be very high, because like the news are happening, and like everyone is now like dealing with the market, especially in USA. People, the stock market is related, especially on the FOMC. The US dollar is related. All the currencies now that will be moving according to the US dollar. So you will have lots of liquidity in the market. Gold also will be affected. So this will create like a very high liquidity, where buyers and sellers like are, everything is happening at the same time during like the early, like the seconds of the news. So during this period, we will have price slippage, which means that the spread will be very high, very big. You know about the spread between the bid and the ask, between the two the prices. Okay, so you will have a price slippage where the spread, let's say, if let's say in regular cases it's 1, and sometimes because it's less, I'm giving like, let's say the spread is 1, it's an example. So now the spread will become 13. So in case you took a buy, for example, and you made 20 pips, remove the spread, which is 13, you will receive only 7 pips from the trade. Some of them, like if you, let's say if you had to close it on 10 pips, so you are minus in this case. That's why some people lose during the market, during the news inside the market. I prefer always and to wait at least 30 minutes after the market. You got my point? Now 2 minutes is enough to like not take a trade with a big candle happening during these seconds. Okay, but if you want to say like the market will settle, when we will have this equilibrium again in the market, okay, you should at least wait for 20 minutes to 30 minutes. This is my answer. If you are already in a trade, it's okay, because the order is opened. You took the trade before you took the trade and the trade is open. It's not like the trade will happen when the news happens. I will say it in Arabic. النيوز ما رح تاخد لك التريد. This is the thing. If the news will not make the trade happen, you are not abusing the system. Okay? But if the trade already happened before, and then the news happened during this time period, it's fine. Okay. Okay, so Lydia is sharing that she tried Manara when she started, but now she's focusing on on the sats. Exactly. So as beginners, let me because I was expecting this time for people to ask the questions, and I will be answering. I will talk briefly about Discord, and then I will talk about the lot size. What do you think? Because every time we are repeating this. Okay, let me open Discord. So as we all know, I will give the example here on gold. Okay, so here, as we all know, the alpha trader will be, first of all, if you can attend the session in the morning, it's very important because it will help you a lot. You can ask your questions. The alpha traders will be, you know, presenting each one his currency. Now we have also Edgar. He will be working on gold in the afternoon, but for 2 days now, he didn't like find a good opportunity to do that. I don't know if today he sent it. Close to entry sell. Let's wait for 15-minute candle. Very bad volume. No trade will be activated. Make sure to remove all your pending orders, FOMC and few. We made good profits today. Exactly. So Edgar now is following the gold on after, like during the US market. Okay, so what happens? We as alpha traders, if you notice, we are using the same strategy, sending the opportunities, the buy and the sell opportunities, and making sure also, so you can understand, like we are making it so easy. Trust me, now everything is clear. Like it's the best thing ever that is happening since we started. As an alpha trader, they will send a study with 2 opportunities, buy and sell. Even the pips are counted for you. Okay, and I will explain the pips on gold. So he is sending buy on gold. Where is the entry, stop loss, take profit, blah, blah, and also the pips. So you don't even have to calculate the pips. You only put the number. Yani, this is how much easy we are making it. Okay, and potential sell also, entry, stop loss, take profit, one-to-one trade. This is the risk to reward. What do we mean by one-to-one? One-to-one is, if you see, the stop loss has the same pips as the take profit. So this is one-to-one. Risk to reward is one. So the losses are equal as the profits. If you are making $50 as profit, you are losing $50. So this is one-to-one. Okay, it's always should be one-to-one or more. The profits should be more, of course, not the losses. Okay, I will check. I'm not, Ayman, sorry, your question in few. So this is what happens when we feel that the market is risky. We will send 0.5% risk. So here you will take the risk management as 0.5% instead of 1. I will repeat. How do we calculate this? Focus with me. I will give an example. For example, here, let's take the sell opportunity. Okay, so if my account is $10,000, okay, the 1% on the $10,000 is 100 because we do 10K times 1%, which is times 1 divided by 100. It will give me 100. When an alpha trader says 0.5 risk, it means that it's half of the 1%, which means $50. If the 1% is 100, half of the 100 is $50. Okay, so here in this trade, if I lose these 30 pips, my loss is $50. Okay, very logical, very very clear. Now, how do I know my lot size? I will explain this now. The lot size calculation, either you go to TradingView, you go to calculator. I don't know where it is. There is a training that will show you where you will find the calculator. And then you will put your stop loss, the capital, I think, and the calculator will do the calculation for you. Second option, logical way. What I do, so the 0.5% is $50. I do this calculation, which is very easy. Okay, listen to it carefully. I go and see the stop loss. What is my stop loss? It's 30 pips. I do 30 times 10. It's 300. Then I divide the risk management of 0.5%, which is $50, divided by 300. So the lot size will be 0.16. My lot size should be 0.16666. Of course, it's 1.6. Okay, or you can take it 1.7. Okay, so this is your lot size. In this way, if it hit your stop loss, even if you are not looking, watching, checking, you will know that your loss will be $50. This is how you calculate your lot size. 30 times 10. Okay, and 50 divided by 30 times 10. Yani 50 will be divided by 300. Okay, so the 30 is the stop loss. You will receive 0.1666. Okay. This is how you calculate. Sorry, I removed it fast, I think, but I think it's clear. Okay, so mainly this is the concept. Always in the morning, have a morning routine for 1 minute. Go and check the currency that you are following up. Put your alerts. If you don't want to pay for an app, I paid, to be honest, I pay $4 per month, but because this application is very beneficial, you can use trading. Wow, look how much it went up. I think the US dollar. What happened, Norman, with you? You win or you lost? بعده معنا? He's not with us. Let's see gold. It didn't affect gold. Maybe. Okay, so let's see. But look what a move up. You saw the move up. Okay. It's still moving. The GBP is still moving. Okay, so yes, as I was explaining, the alpha trader will send the studies. You go and put alerts on the buy and the sell opportunity. And once the alerts start ringing, you don't take the trade by yourself. You go to the alpha trader and you check. Maybe he's telling you the volume is not good. Maybe now we are having now we are having a trade. Let's say yes, this is the 1 hour. Now it's still moving. Okay, so maybe now it's not a good time for trading. Maybe there is news happening during this time. So that's why it's better always to check with the alpha trader and see what he will tell you. Okay, sometimes they will say close to the sell. There is also a video in Telegram in step number 3. You will see where you need to adjust your alerts. Okay, and see like which channel you need them to be activated all the time and which ones you need to mute them. Okay, so this is it for the Discord. It's very important to understand the instructions of the traders. Try to connect here if you have any question, but please, like, don't say send us. Don't forget to send when it's activated. What is the stop loss? Like, you cannot ask questions where the answers are there. Like, this is too much. Okay, so people here are asking their questions. Okay, so as you can see, then let me explain briefly the lot size for gold and for other currencies. For gold, you know, in general, any currency, you have 3 lot sizes. You have 1 lot, you have 0.1, and you have 0.01. Okay, so for the 1 lot, each pip, if you have 1 lot, if you can put your lot size to 1, so, and you made 10 pips, how much money did you make? If you have the 1 lot, each 1 pip is equal to $10. So $10 times 10 pips equal to $100. The same pips on 0.1 lot, they will be divided by it. They will be 10, okay? Because on 0.1, each 1 pip is equal to $1. So 10 pips will be equal to $10. For the 0.01, each 1 pip is equal to $0.1, which is 10 cents. Okay, so the number with 10 pips will be $1. This is the basic formula. يعني you should have it in your head, in your back يعني خلص back of your mind. You should remember it forever. And from there you start comparing. So for gold and for the US 30, they are different. For the US 30, the calculation is small. The numbers are small. For gold, the 0.1 lot is equal to $10. Wait, I have it here. So the one lot is $100 each pip. Okay, so keep this in mind. The one lot is $100 the pip. So yes, exactly. So the one lot is 100. Yani if I made 10 pips times 10 times 100, it's $1,000. It's very risky. You should take everything into consideration. The 0.1 lot on gold is equal to $10. And the 0.01 is $1. Yani the minimum amount is $1. Okay, you have 1, 10, and 100. There you have $0.1, $1 and $10. Okay, for the US 30, the numbers are even like smaller. Okay, so the one lot on the US 30, each pip is equal to $1. Like this is the biggest lot. Again, let's start with the biggest measurement. One lot is equal to $1 each pip inside because we calculate the pips. Okay, and also the 0.1 is 0.1. For Tickmill and some brokers, the lot size can be smaller, can get smaller. Okay, and the numbers will get smaller. If you want to do a right calculation, divide or multiply by 10. That's why when I calculate the lot size to understand how much is my lot size, I do times 10 the stop loss, if you remember when I did it. This is the times 10 or divided by 10 because the numbers increase by 10 or decrease by 10. Let's calculate it. It's simple math, يعني. It's not even math, يعني. It's something very simple. Don't put it in your head as it is complicated. It's logic. Put them on a piece of paper and keep it with you. With time, you will remember it always. You will never forget it, okay? So 100 divided by 10, we didn't say that the one lot for gold is $100 each pip. 100 divided by 10, it will give you 10, which is the smaller lot, lot number 2. 0.1 lot, we were saying that each 1 pip is $10. So if you do divided by 10, it will be $10. Okay, if you divide again by 10, it will give you $1, which is the third lot size. يعني the 0.1, each 1 pip, 0.01, each 1 pip equal to $1. And also, if you divide one lot divided by 10, it will give you 0.1. Divided again by 10, it will give you 0.01. These measurements are from the broker's side. They are not inside the technical analysis of the charts. Okay, let me check Ayman's question and we will finish. If anyone has a question, please feel free to ask. The second reason I was asking about using Manara is that I have the Elite pack, but I am not using the Manara bot at all. Therefore, I'm considering switching to an entry pack, to Elite pack, entry pack that only includes ECA. If I change my economy package, will it affect my membership in the Alpha project? Yes. Mainly, there is no, there is only, you have only the Elite pack and Elite Pro pack. The Elite Pro pack, it includes the robot. Okay, so Manara is a bot inside, but it's not an AI. It's any like a bot, but not like a robot that takes the trade on your behalf. Okay, so mainly because you are from USA and you are a member of Alpha, you will have the same membership. It's the same. Okay. I know, exactly. That's why I keep repeating the same things for beginners. If you notice, like I have the same repetition over and over because it's always hard in the beginning to understand the lot size. It's always confusing. That's why I keep repeating things that are maybe simple, like not simple, like simple for us now, but they are confusing for people because people do not track. They focus on the trading part or like anything else, but because they get confused because they feel like, okay, this is something new, I don't understand it, I need help. But if we focus a little bit and we try to do the calculation, you will figure it out with time. But anyway, you have us, okay, so we are here to help you. Okay, so yes, it's better. Yes, it's better to stick to the elite pack. There is no package which is less than the elite pack. So the elite pack has like all the products. The elite pro pack will have you will have it with the robot, but you don't need the robot. So stick to the elite pack. There is no less like membership. I don't know on which package you are talking. If you can like clarify, Ayman also.
I saw the entry pack, which costs like $65, but Manara bot is not included.
Which one?
There is an entry pack.
Entry pack. I will
Yeah.
check it. Which includes like MNS and now it's Solex, I think.
It just includes ECA and that's it. I think it should include.
Entry pack because yeah, it's like the pure basic. Yes,
Yeah, because I'm not using Manara at all. So
we
that's
are
why.
not using Manara at all. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So, anyone has a question?